you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited because I have a brand new subscription box to show you guys. That's right, today I'm going to be showing you this guy right here. This is from, I believe it's called Phivi. Do you want to know what's in my box and what this is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this company got a hold of me. They did send me this for review. So thank you so much for sending me this box. I can't wait to open this, you guys. When they got a hold of me and they told me what their company was about, they basically go from small local bakers and they get the things from them and they package them, they ship them to you, and so you get fresh baked items delivered to your door, and they're also supporting small businesses, which I greatly do appreciate. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you a little bit about the company first, and then we're gonna dive in and we're gonna see what amazing goodies are going to be in this box, you guys. When this did come, it did come in a different box. It was bigger, and it said that it was perishable and that it needed to be put into the refrigerator. So I wanted to open it to see, like, is it in there with frozen things, like what's going on in there. So when you open it up, it was like a silver wrapped, and it had a cooling ice pack on top of it. So I did remove all of that, but I did take pictures to show you guys how it was packaged. And this is down inside with this beautiful bow wrapped, so cute. Like, that is the cutest box ever. And then there was this little piece of paper here, and it says, please note that not all of your items in this box requires refrigeration. Your box is packed in an insulated liner with cold gel pack and will gradually warm to room temperature over time and will arrive warm to the touch. Once your box arrives, refrigerate the cakes immediately and bring back to room temperature before enjoying each one. If you have any questions or concerns, please email us at info@phiviapp.com. Thank you. The Phivi family, and the website says Phivi Fever, and I will link everything down below so you can check them out. So what could you get? You might want to know. You will receive a beautiful gift box packed with 8 or more all natural hand-baked desserts shipped to your door. It's at least an $82 value in every box, and you can get it as low as $29. Personalized just for you, made with the fewest, freshest, and finest ingredients for a premium snack that you deserve. New assortments every time, such as cakes, macaroons. Some people say macaroon, some people say I say it wrong and it needs to be macaron, but my entire life, anybody that I've ever heard say that word says macaroon. So I'm gonna treat it like tomato, tomato. There's no right or wrong reason, you know what I mean. So you can have an assortment of cakes, macaroons, cookies, brownies, and more. Desserts delivered to your door with free US shipping. Empowering small businesses, bakers shipping nationwide. When you order from Phivi Box, you are directly supporting a local baker who makes every treat by hand with passion and care. So they have the monthly subscription box. Now with that, you can do a one-time, no commitment, no subscription type box. That one is $34. And again, it's all free shipping, you guys. So if you want to just do one box, if you want to send somebody a box, maybe it's a holiday or a birthday or just because, you can send a one-time box their way, free shipping for $34, no commitment. If you want to commit and do a monthly subscription, then it brings it down to $32. So you do save some money when you go to a monthly reoccurring subscription. If you want to go to 3 months, it brings it to $31. If you want to go to 6 months, it brings it to $30. And if you want to do the whole 12 months at a time, it brings it down to $29 per box. And again, it's still free shipping. They also have a macaroon. They have one of those where you get 10 of them. If you want to do a one-time box, again, same thing, no commitment, that kind of thing, it's $26. And if you want to do the monthly where you get it every month, it's $24 per month. So let's go ahead, without further ado, let's dive in here and see what we're going to have. Again, this packaging is super cute. I like the little personal touch with the ribbon on the whole entire box. So let's see what is in here. So it just has their logo right on top. And when we open this up, that's how it looks. And they did say that it's going to be a Thanksgiving theme. I guess every month it's like a new theme, all new treats that they put in there. So that's really neat because then every month you get to see what's all inside with a new theme. I think that's exciting. So right on top, there is some paperwork. And then down inside the squiggles is all going to be like all of the goods. Woo, I can't wait. Okay, so this is like their card and it says November 2020, Thanksgiving. And it has your box and then a free treats. So it has everything that's in my box and then it tells you how to get a free treat and I'll explain that to you in just a moment. So here is their card here too. And then, oh, they do actually include the nutrition facts for everything. That's awesome. Because sometimes when you get some things and they're from local or small businesses, you might not even have like all the ingredients list in that. So that's really neat. It's all on here. Everything is on here. So you can see what the calories are. You can see all the nutritional facts. So that's really neat. And then you can save this ribbon and use it for anything. So the first thing that we saw is this right here, and it looks like a cookie shaped like an apple. It says apple cider. Ooh, apple cider cookie. Yep, that's what that is. Apple cider cookie. Apple cider cookie. For one cookie is 150 calories. And it's all sealed, which I gotta try this. Apple cider cookie. Let's see. Let me just take a leaf off. Oh my gosh, you guys. That is definitely an apple cider. That tastes so good. I only want to take one little bite because I don't know how many things I'm going to take bites out of during this video, but that actually tastes really, really good. Oh, what are you? This looks like an apple, like little like apple pie, and there's even like a little maple leaf like on top of it, like it's layered. This is a apple hand pie. That's what it is. It's an apple pie, you guys. So this right here, All American Hand Apple Pie, that one has all of the ingredients, but it doesn't have the nutritional facts. So I don't know the calories on that one, but it does have all the ingredients. And you guys, this is super, super soft. Oh, I'm gonna warm this up and I'm gonna have it with some vanilla ice cream. That is going to be amazing. And even look at the bottom. It just looks so good. Ooh, that looks so good, you guys. Okay, so there's the second item and there's 8 different things in this box. Okay, so the next thing we have is in this and it says pumpkin pie macaroon. Pumpkin pie macaroon. Oh my gosh. And it's down inside here. So the pecan pie, this is 130 calories. There it is right there. So let's try this. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. That is amazing. You know, one of my friends, she always talks about macaroons and how much she loves them. She's always putting pictures on her Instagram and I'm like, what in the world? One day I think I was at like a department store and they had like a little thing of, they had like pistachio and another one. And I'm like, I'm gonna buy these to see. And they were so dried out and hard and they were not very good. I'm like, what is all the rave about? This thing is so freaking good. I know what the rave is about. If you have something that's fresh, this is so soft, so moist. The outside is like a little crunchy outside layer, but the inside is so soft and moist. Like, that is amazing. Now I know what all the hype is about when it comes to those little boogers. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Oh, okay. So now we have is this right here. It looks like it would be like a little cake pop and it does have like a leaf, like a maple leaf on there. And this one says, let's see. So this is an acorn cake pop vanilla. And I just think that's so cute. It looks like an acorn. It looks like an actual, it's the top of like an acorn with the little leaf on it. That is super cute, very festive. So we have a cake pop. I think I'm gonna save this because our niece is coming over this weekend and she loves cake pops. So I'm gonna save that one for her. And then now we have like these 3 little, I guess these are the cakes. This one says chai cupcake. This one says carrot spice cake. And then this one says turkey? Does it say turkey cupcake? Does that really say turkey cupcake? Yes, but it says it's chocolate in parentheses. So you have a turkey cupcake. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna wait until our uncle comes over in a little bit, and then I'm gonna have us all try these together so that I can come back and let you know what all of us felt about these cakes right here. And then the last item is a pecan pie brownie. Oh my gosh, that sounds like that is gonna be amazing. And by the looks of it, it looks like it's going to taste amazing. Oh my gosh, you guys. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait and finish the rest of like testing these once they come over so that I can come back and finalize and tell you what all of us felt about them. But I've never had so much like gourmet like desserts delivered or in front of me at one time. Like, this is amazing, and they're so good and they're fresh. This is amazing, and I love that it's free shipping, and they take very good care of their packaging, the way that they package it with the beautiful bow, and they put the cold stuff inside and make sure it's all in there so it's gonna come fresh to you. I think this is so neat. Oh my gosh, I think it's so neat. So I will be back. Okay, you guys. So I went ahead and divided this into 4 because there was 4 total people here right now that I can have try these out. And I gave it to them basically blindsided. I put them on a plate, said try it, told them to give me their feedback, and they all knew right away that it was a carrot cake because the one is a carrot spice cake. So every single one knew that there was a carrot cake and they really liked that one. And then they knew that there was a chocolate cake. So now when it said turkey, it looked like a turkey. So it had like this little design with like candy corns and stuff to make it look like a turkey. So hence turkey, why it said, what do they call it? Just turkey cupcake. And I was like, turkey? That's why it had a little cute turkey on top. So I divided again that between 4, and that was just like a really nice moist chocolate cupcake. It was really good. And then the chai cupcake, and that one kind of like crumbled. It was a different consistency. They all kind of have like their own different consistency. They're all different, obviously, but that one had a real dry, like more of a crumble consistency, but they were all really good. Even if you mix them together, they all taste good. Even blended together, they were really, really good. So, oh, and then that brownie, the pecan brownie, oh my gosh, that was amazing. So I'm saving the cake pop for when our niece comes this weekend, and then we're going to have the little apple pie with some ice cream tomorrow for dessert. So I will have that tomorrow, but it looks amazing, and if everything else is this good, I know that's gonna be just as good as well. Now, earlier I did mention that it said free treats, and I said I'll let you know what that was later. So on this card, it does say, if you love the box, get 4 free treats with your next box simply by snapping a photo of you with your November box, emailing it to us at info@phiviapp.com for us to share on our Instagram. No strings attached. So if you do purchase, when you get your first box, if you do take some photos and you send them to them so they can use for their Instagram, your next box will come with 4 free treats in addition to your normal 8+. That's amazing. No strings attached, just by sending them a simple photo. So that's cool. So you guys can definitely check that out if you do order. Take advantage of that because then you get 4 free treats, no strings attached. That's awesome. Free is always good. So again, this was the Thanksgiving thing. This was super, super cute. I'm so glad that they reached out to me and they sent this to me. Everything was so good, so delicious. And I'm so glad that there was that macaroon in there because that was amazing. Now I know what all the hype is. Like I said, for a fresh one to come like, ooh, oh. And I gave the other half to my man and he really did enjoy it. So I did share, even though I wanted to eat the whole thing and be stingy, but no, I'm not. So that is all that I have to show you for this November box. Definitely comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that came inside? I love that they are supporting small local businesses, especially right now. A lot of small businesses definitely do need the help. So I do like that. and they taste amazing. That is definitely a plus. So definitely comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.